Garden soil improvement tips. Soil is the heart of every garden, the foundation that decides whether plants will thrive or struggle. Improving soil is not just about adding fertilizers, it is about nurturing life beneath the surface. Healthy soil is alive with tiny organisms, earthworms, and nutrients that work together to support strong roots. One of the best ways to improve soil is by adding organic matter such as compost, decomposed leaves, or well-rotted manure. These materials enrich the soil with nutrients while making it soft, airy, and better at holding water. Cover crops like clover or beans can also be planted to fix nitrogen naturally into the soil, boosting fertility. Avoiding overuse of chemical fertilizers is important, as they may give quick results but weaken the soil over time. Mulching also helps, as it not only conserves water but also breaks down slowly, providing nutrients to the soil. Regularly rotating crops in your vegetable garden prevents nutrient exhaustion and reduces the risk of soil-borne pests. Even simple practices like loosening compacted soil or ensuring proper drainage can make a huge difference. When you improve your soil, you are not just helping plants grow today, you are building a living foundation that will keep rewarding you season after season.